guys, welcome back. We are on our way to New Brunswick, so about 2 hours away from where I live. And what we're going to do today is we're going to go up. I got my transmission bearing seal kit and my synchroids or whatever, transmission parts and a phantom grip. So I'm going to New Brunswick. I got very lucky. I have a friend named Scott who does transmissions on the side, and he's willing to do it for free to help me out. So shout out to Scott, really good friend of mine, actually, extremely good friend of mine. So as you see, that's where we're going, and we'll go through it when we get up there. So I'm on my 2-hour drive now. Hopefully everything goes smooth. I'm gonna spend the night at his place, have some fun, and we're gonna get this transmission together. Scott also found me another transmission that I paid $50 for, so I have 2 transmissions now. One's an SI, one's not. So he has the other one apart to go over it, make sure everything's good as well. And then for a spare. And we also have my EDELBROCK intake manifold up there that he found for me, and an SRT exhaust, 3-inch downpipe, and some parts for Project Neighbor. If you guys aren't familiar with that, it's a 2005 PT Cruiser GT Turbo. We're putting a stage 3 turbo on it from Mopar that we have kicking around. Set of cams, Crowder, stage 2 cams, exhaust, downpipe, intake, a whole bunch of stuff. It should be about 400, maybe mid 300 horsepower car in a PT Cruiser. So it's going to be a fun little project that's coming up as well. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to enjoy the drive, and you guys enjoy the build. Thanks a lot. Rebuild on her?
Yeah. I don't know how good it's going to be, because look at the color of the oil.
It's a little creamy and metal flaky.
Did you see it?
That's what happens if I use tranny.
Ew. That's water. Like liquid water laying there. There's the first bearing that let go.
No, it was this is different than the other train. Oh, yeah. She's fucked, Rich.
I say there's a bearing there somewhere that come apart.
Something come apart for sure.
What's that out of?
Civic. Yeah, something did.
There's the other part of it there.
Bearing, or is it a hub?
Well, it's an inner race, eh? Yeah. That's the inner race out of a bearing.
Where did that come from?
Did it get up there? This bearing?
No, it's up there.
Still there.
Yeah, they usually stay in gates.
That's a lot bigger. Is that size shaft though? No, it's a bigger shaft than that.
What do you got there, Ricky?
I was going to say, it came with all new bearings.
What did? Yeah, I know.
Hey. You having fun? I'm waiting for him to see the big funnel that's there. Oh, you stepped over it. You might have found it. Come on, Gage. Here, puppy. So guys, welcome back. We ran around to a couple parts stores this morning. We figured out that the Civic has a small bearing case and a big bearing case, and all the places we went to only had one listing. The bearing kit we bought off of Rock Auto unfortunately was a small bearing case, but we lucked out and got the proper bearing from Napa. Tons and tons of dust on it, so it was sitting in their back room for a while by the looks of it. So that's a bonus at least. I'll leave in the description the part number just in case you guys are looking for it. But now we can go and put together the two transmissions and have one as a backup. Where's the pin at?
There.
Whew, it just... One on the floor?
No. Floor.
So welcome back guys, we are on the Civic today. We have to do some body work, looks like some cleaning as well. I'm going to start body work. Turple is going to throw stuff in the back of the box and he's going to start wire tuck. So when he's doing wire tuck, I'm doing body work. And we did transmission home yesterday, so we got a fully rebuilt transmission, new bearings, gaskets, sync rods, and a phantom grip. So yeah. And then when we were up there, I gotta show you this. When we were up there, we did get our wonderful EDELBROCK Performance X intake manifold from a friend. So shout out to him. Got it for 150 bucks. And I messaged this guy and I got a set of RC injectors 450s for a Honda Civic for $60. It's not really what I want it to run, but there'll be enough for the turbo kit, and I lowballed him and he took it, so why not get it? So that's where we're at. I will show you guys along the way when we're doing some body work. Stay tuned.